guys, it's your boy Hyman Cuts back in the building, bringing you another video on how to care for your beard. So today, all I'm gonna do is shape the beard. I pretty much already lined myself up the other day. I lined myself up back here. So as far as lineup, I'm looking solid right now. But the shape is awful. Like the shape is looking really bad. I have no shape. Like it looks very crazy under here. So I'll show you how to line up under here a little bit and then shape up the beard. So let's get it, man. Stick with me. I'm gonna show y'all how to get this done. Let's go. So first things first, all you're gonna need is a clipper of your choice and a comb. That's all I'm using. This is all you should need. If you need anything else than this, something's off. So first things first, you're gonna comb it out. Comb the beard out. You gotta get it nice and, you want to comb it in the direction that you want it to go. So off the top, you make sure you're combing. If your beard grows this way and it's all fucking to the side and shit like that, like you don't want that. Like you gotta comb that shit down. Comb your beard down, give it some shape. So comb it down. And then I normally start at the bottom. So I'll come in and knock off some of the length right here. Boom, 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 boom. And then I'll go to the side and clean it off like this. So let's get it. Today I'm just using my cordless, my cordless Fade Master with cordless master with a Fade Master blade. If you want to be a jerk about it, but this is what I'm using. My little comb. So let's get it. Got the mirror right here in front of me. Boom. You can see where it's uneven right there. You want to just go ahead and comb it out nice as best as you can. If you got a straightener, even better. I got a video on how to straighten it as well, so go tap in. So boom, give it some shape on the bottom. I normally start off by giving myself a little base. So like at the bottom, I don't like to go real high up underneath my neck. So I bring it up just enough to like line it up on the bottom. So to line it up, I'll go ahead and show you how I do that like right now. So you could already see my straight neckline. Like, man, look at this. That's vicious, bro. That's vicious. Also, for those that are curious, I do have my lever closed. So it's not open right now. It's as close as it can get. So that way I can cut whatever's in my path. So now that I got the bottom done, I'm gonna start nicking off the sides here. You can see the hair right there, and it's all messed up. So we just gotta keep the shape. See, it's already getting some shape there. And you just go around with it. Like, don't go all in because then you're gonna cut your shit off. So you just, whatever, I call them the stragglers. You're gonna clean up all the stragglers, whatever's hanging out. You're gonna clean them up. Look, boom. So see, you could already tell, like I have much more shape on this side. Like you comb it out, do the bottom, do one side, do the other side, and then you meet it all together to give it the perfect shape. So like, as you can see, I'm already like cleaned up on the bottom, but it's not straight because you gotta keep combing it out. So you keep combing it out, run it back again. You can see this, look at that. So much hair, bro. It's so bad. I hate when my shit gets like this. But I'll be busy, bro. Like, I don't have time to go get haircuts and shit. Gotta work on my self-care. Boom. And so since you started here at the bottom, now you bring all this and then you hook it underneath. You go like this, trim it, and go underneath. Yeah, that's how you create your shape. And you're just getting, and that's why I'm using my Fade Masters, because you can hear it cut. Much better, bro. Oh my god. You got some solid shape in there now, baby. See that? I'm pretty much done, guys. Like, there's not anything really sticking out. Anything that was, I pretty much trimmed it. If you want to like get technical, you can kind of turn this way, look in the mirror, and then get whatever else you see, but it's usually very, very slim since I already cleaned up everything else. There we go. It's the details that matter, y'all. I hope you guys can see the difference. I cut a lot of my beard off. It's all on my chest. It's looking crazy right now. So I hope you guys mess with me though. You know, I want to put this video out for anybody that's in between haircuts. If you want to get something, you know, clean yourself up before you go see the barber in another week or two, this is the video for you. You know, you want to shape up your beard. Don't get too excited. That's what people do. Like every client that comes in that fucks up their hair, they got too excited. Like, just chill out. Like, take your time. It only took me what, like 8.5 minutes, 9 minutes to do this. So you only need 2 tools: a comb, a clipper, a mirror, if you want to be a jerk about it. So tap in. Any videos you guys want to see below, go ahead and comment them below. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, comment, all that woo wop, all that nice jazz. So I appreciate all the support. Hyman's Barber Studio bringing you another video, and tap in. I hope everybody stays blessed.